withdraw Telegram stars. So if you want to withdraw the Telegram star, so first of all you have to open up your channel. Go and open up your Telegram and open up your channel here. Once you have opened up your channel, just go for your channel here and click on the channel setting. Once you are on your channel setting or page, you can see your statistic here. Once you are on your statistic, you can go for the boost option here to boost your channel. So if you want to receive the star from your subscriber, you can see the feature and giveaway. If you find any Telegram stars on your Telegram channel, then you can go for that. So the Telegram doesn't have the built-in feature of receiving or withdrawing the Telegram star. So if you are referring to a system related to Telegram that involves earning credit or point, you can go through this process. So you have to stick for the withdrawal option on your Telegram. If you find on your Telegram channel here, just go for your channel setting. On your channel setting, you have to go for the statistic. On your statistic, you can find any withdraw option. Then you can withdraw the money from here. You can see that you have to pay the premium on your Telegram to have the Telegram star. So you can start the giveaway from your Telegram here. So there is no way to withdraw Telegram star. Just go back here and go to your contact support of your Telegram. Just go here, just go for your Telegram feature. Once you are here, if you find the help or support, just go for the